So on the 3-minute time frame for KGT here, we can see that Bitcoin has a bullish signal over there, showing invalidation also for the bearish. Yeah, so that means, of course, it might be a corrective wave. We might be here in a bullish scenario that it might still push toward the upside. And this is, of course, a very nice signal there in confluence, of course, with our Elliott Wave here scenario and with our level red box testing area within also the base channel. So this can unfold a bigger ABC here, A, B, and a C, because the wave C did not reach the high, and I doubt that this is a truncation. That means, of course, it can be a 1-2 there. Very likely to be in a wave C, pushing still toward the upside here. Of course, it's too early to call it as a wave 3, 4, and a 5, meaning, of course, something as bullish, meaning, yeah, our regular flat, the regular flat that we're talking about here, about our main scenario, yeah, which it can be a regular flat in a wave 2. That means, of course, 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meaning, of course, a deeper, not deeper, I would say shallow wave 2, rather than a deep correction wave 2. So can be this possibility. And to reach the time, of course, don't forget the time is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, hitting the 0.38 and minimum requirement, and of course pushing for higher after, of course, hitting this support area as well. So I would say this is a very, very likely scenario, of course, in confluence with our base channel right now. Can be, of course, again pushing for higher. I mean, the question mark why we retraced it twice. Yeah, we try to break the base channel and then we get in again. We break it and we get in again. So I'm not sure here that we are really gonna break it. It shows somehow a potential of strengths, starting, of course, as well with this W, X, and Y. They look very perfect together. Yeah. So the things are really showing some strengths, I would say, starting to show this strengths, and very likely that we might unfold this scenario, guys, unless, of course, the things will escalate globally again, show some tensions here, and the market will crumble or something. Like maybe it's gonna be the opposite. Nobody knows. That might be the signal, but we gotta be careful with it. Anyway, we're still, of course, in a decision area here. Yeah, a decision area. So yeah, it's very, very shaky. It happened. It was like happening for 2 weeks here, I think. Yeah, around this area, still shaking, but we don't have a clear decision yet. However, the micro level right now is somehow a little bit clearer. So we gotta be careful. This can be the scenario, of course, for something to push for higher again. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin. We're gonna see what's gonna happen tomorrow. That is a deep analysis, and of course, we're gonna follow Bitcoin during the day as well. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.